Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today I'm making more Valentine's Day themed cards and I'm using the Heartfelt Love collection. I'm using this Banners of Love stamp set and die set that Ruby sent me. Thank you so much. What I want to do is stamp out the love and die cut it out in the individual letters. Maybe I'll do it in silver, and then I'm using the Eyelet hearts die, and I'm going to I think use the biggest one, and I'm going to use it, probably cut it out in this color. And then I have the Heartfelt Love collection 24 double-sided papers, and I'm just going to use one sheet. They're so pretty, and it's like you can't decide which one, so I think I'm going to use this one. I really love this actual sheet, and I'm going to cut it down. I'll probably make a couple cards about the same theme since I'm using this particular sheet. So it's going to be an A2 size card, and I'm going to use this rhubarb stock memento ink as well as the silver embossing powder when I emboss the love sentiment. And I also have another stamp set that I don't have handy right here, but it's going to be the Happy Valentine's Day stamp set that I've been using throughout my videos. So sit back and enjoy the process. Okay, here's the finished cards. Very simple and easy to do. Here is the first one. I love how it turned out. And here is the second one. I just put another sentiment just to give it some more color because it was a really dark, you know, how it faded from dark to a little bit lighter. But I love how it turned out. So thank you for joining me today. I'll include some pictures at the end so you can get some closer looks. But you know, anyone can do this. It's just some ideas on making some more cards if you're making Valentine's Day cards this holiday season. So take care everyone and have a fabulous day.